15 easy 1-hour crochet projects for beginners. This project is a free crochet AirPod pouch pattern with a video tutorial. This project teaches you how to make crochet crayon people and small crayon backpack pals. This free crochet pattern helps you make a rose bag charm. It is easy for beginners and uses scrap yarn. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make a large sunflower. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make a knot headband. This free crochet moon pillow pattern is quick to make. Make a cool bracelet with 4 skull designs. Learn to make pretty Annabelle earrings with this free crochet pattern. Learn to crochet a mug cozy using a special woven cable stitch. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make wraparound anklets. This project teaches you how to make a crochet flower pot holder. This free crochet pattern helps you make small baskets. This free crochet pattern teaches you how to make an ice cream cone keychain. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make a pair of fingerless gloves quickly. This crochet project is a fast way to make a beanie for your messy bun. Find all these patterns and more on craftinghappiness.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.